Hey, it's Mike again from Arlington Sport Cards, back again with another 2011 Topps Baseball retail blaster box and some of these 3-pack exclusive boxes. So I went back to my local Target today, and this is what they had left on of these. They only had 2 more left, so I think for time restraints I'll do 2 of these and then the other 2 later on. So let's go with the blaster first. Once again, this is from the 1962 Topps Heritage, the clone that set. Yesterday sort of gave it a rough review, but it's growing on me. I wasn't going to get any more, but you know how that is with cards. New cards are sort of an addiction. Babe is a boy. Let's see if we got any SPs real quick. Looks like base. I don't think I'm going to match the luck I had yesterday pulling all those stamped cards. Austin Jackson. So I guess this will average out a little bit. Get an SP there. Okay, let's see if we got those here. Look at this. It's just crazy. Another one. Tabata, Trevor Cahill. Let's see what this one's about. 27 out of 62. Looks like all base in that one Kennedy card. Hurry up here. I like the way that this card looks. That's nice. Let's speed this up. Looks like all base. It's not bad. Retail. Big heads. Maybe this Target's a hot store or something. I've usually had luck at this one. Stanton. Chapman. One is an SP. Don Mattingly. I think that's an SP. Okay, so these were the 2 hits in that blaster box. And you know what? Let's open this one up here. I have time left. Let's see who we we got here? We got Cole Hamels on the cover, or on the front. Sorry. Okay, Cabrera, Tampa Bay, Girardi, Schneider, checklist. That looks like all base. Okay. More Ruth cards. Nothing. Alright, last pick. Ramirez. Got the one SP there. Alright, let me finish off with this black pack exclusive. I think this is exclusive to the retail. So let's see what we got here. We got the Cole Hamels, Alexei Ramirez, and Starlin Castro. Alright guys, so this looks like the two big hits in that blaster box. The Placido and this guy here. Alright, I'll upload this and get these next two open in a little bit. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.